Huzzah! And welcome to Nightingale Plays Pokemon Fire Red. Now, this looks really weird after playing Pokemon X and Y, so I'm not quite sure what to expect. And I'm sorry about the volume. I've got it the lowest that the game can go without it being mute, so hopefully it's not so bad. Now, I've taken the liberty of starting, sort of. All I did was name my character and tell Professor Oak I'm a male, so here we go. Now this is so weird. Alright. I named my character Kumo. There's reasons for that maybe you'll find out one day. But here we go. Let's see what's going on downstairs. Right. All boys leave home someday. It said so on TV. Because you can believe everything on the television. Just like the internet. Oh yes, Prof. Oak next door was looking for you. I wonder what he wants. Oh, this is so weird. Okay, I'm not gonna say anything about it anymore. Man, it's been so long. I don't remember what to do. Next door. Okay. This is Gary's sister. Yeah, I named the rival Gary, by the way. Not anything offensive like most people would. Hi, Kumo, says Daisy. My brother Gary is out at Grandpa's lab. And she's got a map. Yeah, be really useful. Although, I am pretty sure I have that map memorized better than my backyard, let's be honest. Gary, sup? What? It's only Kumo? Gramps isn't around? Nope. Okay, I know what I have to do. It's time to be a rebel. Tall grass doesn't scare me. I'm Nightingale. There's night in my name. Where did you come from? It's unsafe. Wild Pokemon live in the tall grass. You need your own Pokemon for protection. Okay, so you're gonna reward my bad behavior by giving me a Pokemon and sending me on an awesome adventure. Perfect. Life lessons, my friends. Life lessons. Gramps, I'm fed up with waiting. Oh, and he gets rewarded too for being a jerk. Gary, let me think. Oh, that's right. I told you to come. Just wait. Here, Kumo. There are 3 Pokemon here. Haha. The Pokemon are held inside these Pokeballs. When I was young, I was a serious Pokemon trainer. But now, in my old age, I have only these 3 left. Wait, so did they... That means... Oh. If you can have one, go on, choose. That's actually really nice now that I think about it. Hey Gramps, no fair, what about me? That's what you care about! My dear. Jeez. Alright, so, I've already decided... No, I'm gonna be the... No! I want to pick Bulbasaur. No! Crap. Oh well. I don't feel like starting over. I didn't want Charmander. Everyone picks Charmander. It's Fire... Well, I guess if it's Fire Red, it only makes sense that I pick Charmander. And Charmander's not bad. I picked Bulbasaur when I first played Blue version, so I kind of just stuck with that. Shut up. What does my Charmander even look like? It's naughty. In X and Y, I had a Pokemon that was naughty-natured and it was often lost in thought. I thought that was the most hilarious combination ever. I can't remember what naughty nature does. Okay, I really don't care about EVs or IVs, but the nature's right there, and in the other games it tells you what stats it affects, so I'm okay with that, looking at that normally. But since I can't tell, it really doesn't matter, and I don't remember what naughty nature does, so I'll just go with that. And like I said, I'm not starting over anyway. Alright. We have time for a battle, still 4 minutes or so before my time is up. So let's go ahead and fight this jerk who picks my weakness just out of spite. Alright, Gary wants to battle. He sends out Squirtle. Surprise, surprise. Oh, crap. I forgot. I have had more Pokemon battles than I care to tell. I've been playing this game since essentially all my life. Yes, I know. Okay. Oh crap, I probably should actually have read what he said. I assume if you're watching this, you probably have played a Pokemon game at some point in your life and don't need the tutorial. And really, I wasn't doing this as a walkthrough. I don't consider Let's Plays to be walkthroughs. Just, essentially, I'm gonna keep scratching. And there we go. Squirtle's fainted. Take that, Gary. Level up. Player defeated rival Gary. What? Unbelievable. I picked the wrong Pokemon. Sorry, I'm never doing that again. Excellent. If you win, you earn prize money and your Pokemon will grow. Battle other trainers and make your Pokemon strong. No problem. That's what I planned on doing anyway. Toughen up your Pokemon. Kumo Gramps, smell you later. They make a reference to that in the new game. Alright, do I have to talk to you again? Nope. Just tell me the same thing. Do you have potions for me? I seem to remember that. Nope. Was it you? Nope. You both told me almost exactly the same thing. Alright. I think before I leave, I'm supposed to talk to someone, if I recall correctly. Well, no, she healed my Pokemon at least. Alright, let's go talk to Daisy. And then we'll leave. I'm sorry, I honestly don't remember if I was supposed to. Nope. Okay. I forgot how they don't, like, tell you every single step of the game anymore. Alright. Well, this looks like a good enough place to stop. So, I hope you enjoyed our first little battle with our punk rival Gary. Farewell, and see you next time for another adventure.